Hello and welcome. To solve this logarithmic equation, let us rewrite this first term as 5 to the power log to base 5 of x to the power log to base 5 of x. Of course, you know that to get rid of this bracket, all we have to do is to multiply these two powers, and log to base 5 of x multiplied by log to base 5 of x is equal to log to base 5 of x squared. Now, but look at this. Here we have 5 to the power log to base 5. Remember that a to the power log to base a of b is equal to b. So 5 to the power log to base 5 of x is equal to x. So this is x to the power log to base 5 of x. And here we have plus x to the power log to base 5 of x. And this is equal to 1250. This is the same as this. So we have 2 times x to the power log to base 5 of x is equal to 1250. Now, when we divide both sides of this equation by 2 into 12 is 6 and into 50 is 25. We have that x to the power log to base 5 of x is equal to 625. Now, to solve this equation, let us take log of both sides of the equation. Log to base 5. So we have log to base 5 of x to the power log to base 5 of x is equal to log to base 5 of 625. But of course, you know that 625 is 5 to the power 4. Now, when we apply the power rule of logarithms to this left-hand side, we will be able to bring down this exponent to the front to become a multiplier. So on the left-hand side, we have log to base 5 of x, that is this, multiplied by log to base 5 of x is equal to, now remember that log to base a of a to power b is equal to b. So log to base 5 of 5 to the power 4 is equal to 4. Of course, you know that this is equal to this. So this simply means that log to base 5 of x squared is equal to 4. And of course, when we take square root of both sides of this equation, we have that log to base 5 of x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4, which is equal to plus or minus 2. So we have that log to base 5 of x is equal to plus or minus 2. And of course, you know that this simply means that 5 to the power plus or minus 2 is equal to x. So we have that x is equal to 5 to the power plus or minus 2. Two values of x. X is equal to 5 squared, or x is equal to 5 to the power minus 2, which is equal to 1 over 5 squared. That is 1 over 25. So the two values of x that satisfy this logarithmic equation are x equal to 25 and x equal to 1 over 25. Now, to check our result, let us substitute these values of x and log x into the left-hand side of the original equation. Here we have 5 to the power plus or minus 2 squared plus 5 to the power plus or minus 2 multiplied by plus or minus 2. Of course, plus or minus 2 squared is equal to 4. So we have 5 to the power 4 plus or minus 2 multiplied by plus or minus 2 is equal to 4. So this is 5 to the power 4. This is 625 plus 625. And of course, this is equal to 1250, which is exactly what we have on the right-hand side of the original equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.